Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang kembali di channel saya Hamzah dan video kali ini kita berada di pinggir empang untuk makan tirang batu ya. Oke, terus saksikan video ini sampai habis. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce.
sambil mantap ke kamera aku. Luar biasa nih. Batu perjuangan. Oh, berarti juga ada sih Ali. Ini terus-terus. Enggak sih, enggak. Apa? Sengaja. Yuk, Dewi.
Ke Makassar, Cek.
Sabar aku dah, mau motor aku ya, mau motor Kak. Tapi aku selalu berdua, naik motor lebih enak. Wakin tekiro. Wakin tekiro. Oke. Oke, nyantai. Cedek ni laba. Cedek lah bareng ada. Taruh. Biasanya lo tinggal kangen Pak Ganden nah. Indah motor. Ya mau motor atau ke motor aku hotel taruh.
Masalah mana?
Dem sedila naman rumah donggo jadi macu siki.
Manu pika kuan ni koro.
Iya,
Tekai.
iya PK. Paling 5 lagu. Aceh mana tuh koton? KW, KW. Terciduk kedua cima. Ini saya diam-diam begini makan kamera terus.
Hati-hati ya. Ada tersembunyi di dalam perut.
Kita akan pindah lokasi lagi ya teman-teman setelah ini dari dekat Empang bersama Mbak Jimmy juga Mbak Indah sama Cepi ya. Dia kasihan. Ada tasku di situ. Ya. Mana dulu? Saya pindah ke belakang saja. Di sini apa deh? Oke. Sudah mau nih kok.